we've come to Meru County on a fact-finding visit to find out how we can work together to tackle the burden of cancer in the country. So we are here as a task force. We are visiting Meru County as one of the counties in the Republic of Kenya to collect information and get insights from the county and also from the public on what really needs to be done to address the cancer burden in the Meru County and also the country at large. So we have just had discussion with the county team and also the hospital management team, and we are going to receive a memorandum from the county as to what areas we need to tackle in the areas of cancer management. So for purposes of this task force, we are going to visit 3 counties. So far, we have visited Nakuru County. Last week, we were in Nakuru. This week, we are in Meru. And next week, we plan to visit Mombasa. So those are the 3 counties that we will visit. These are just a few engagements. We have also planned other engagements with the county executive committee chairs, which we will conduct next week. Also, as a task force, we have also been visiting various institutions. For example, we have visited KEMSA. We've visited various facilities like Kenyatta National Hospital and other facilities. And we are also planning to have engagements with other key stakeholders. We are not coming from a level of knowing the solutions. We've come to seek solutions from the county and from all stakeholders at large. So we are actually on a fact-finding mission. What do we need actually to put in place? It's solutions that we are seeking from the counties, from the public, and all stakeholders at large. So once we get the memorandums, because if you look at the website for the ministry, we've already requested for memoranda. So once we receive all this feedback, we will then be able to provide a report that will guide how we will tackle cancer in the country. So in terms of even the research, this we are expecting in form of memorandum, so that we'll be able to provide the direction.
Cancer has been actually a very big burden to people of Meru. It has actually huge economic impact on our population, and our governor has tried much to fight this disease. And if I can highlight some of the issues which are appearing in our memorandum is, first of all, through the initiative of our governor, we have been able to have a cancer center in Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital. But the challenge we've been having is the workload is very high. It is actually treating many people from outside the county in this region. So the department is asking the national government, because this one now is affecting people in this region. We are asking whether our cancer center can be made a regional cancer center to take care of the population from other counties who are coming to seek for treatment here. And because when they come, we always give them medical attention with the scarce resources we have in the county. The other issue which we have highlighted is on issue of radiotherapy. We are able to do chemotherapy here and other minor issues on cancer treatment, but still we have a burden of referring our people to other hospitals, and some of these people we have around, they cannot be able to afford even transport to go to Kenyatta Hospital or Aga Khan or others. So we are requesting whether we can be assistant with that radiotherapy here to be able to cater for that population. The other issue we have highlighted is on issue of drugs. Drugs for cancer are actually very expensive. not many people can be able to afford that. So we are asking our national government through this task force whether it is possible to make drugs for cancer to be free. Just like the way we have free drugs for TB and HIV, we are asking whether the government can take over this initiative and avail drugs for cancer freely to our population. The other issue which will appear in the memorandum is on research. We have challenges and we require a lot of research. The county government is establishing Meru Cancer Research Institute. We are requesting for further assistance from the national government so that now we can be able to do further research in this region to understand the cause of this problem. And once we understand the cause of the problem, it can be addressed very fast. Bearing in mind, we have 3 villages in Meru County which are almost being wiped by cancer. A village in Ikegoi, a village in Reaki, and a village in Akaiga in Tigane East. We want further research to be done in those areas so that we can be able to establish the cause of the problem, and once we establish the cause of the problem, then addressing it becomes very easy. The other issue we are seeking assistance is on issue of specialists. Issue of the specialists for dealing with the cancer issues, they are becoming very scarce, and also they are becoming very expensive to employ. We have also been requesting whether this center can be assisted with the specialists who will be able to handle all these cases and at least assist our people to seek further treatment. It is true, people say prevention is better than curing. And I want to say, in Africa, mortality rate for cancer patients is 75%, whereas in Europe, it is only 25%. And the challenge is our people don't come for cancer screening. They wait until they become sick, that's when they seek treatment. So I'm requesting our people, please let us make it an habit of coming for screening when you are healthy, so that we can be able to control this disease at early stages, because it's very easy. But when we wait until it reaches stage 3 and stage 4, where somebody now feels discomfort, it is becoming very complicated to solve that issue.
Just like she has said, and I think the minister has alluded to that, we are all the 3 counties that are being visited by this task force. And when you see them here, really, it has just not happened by chance. One is because our county is a hotspot when it comes to issues of cancer. The minister has talked about that. We are very happy that the national government, the Minister of Health, who is our very good friend, Mheshimiwa Mutahi Kagwe, has seen it necessary to send a task force here so that they can come and we have a discussion, fact-finding, prepare a memorandum that can be presented, and highlighting the issues that we have here in Meru, and how solutions can be found and replicated across the country. We are also very happy as a government that during the financial year of 2021-2022, the national government has allocated about 300 million, 350 million actually, to Meru County and Kakamega County for setting up the cancer center. We are very happy about that. We know it is because of our friendship with the national government that has enough that happened. Of course, over and above the fact that cancer is a big burden in this area. As a government, we are doing everything possible to make sure that we do what we call early diagnosis, early detection, but we don't have sufficient resources. So seeing the national task force here, we believe from our recommendations, what they are going to present at the national level will get more assistance. And we believe by so doing, then we will be able to lessen cancer burden in Meru County. Areas to do with research, very, very critical. Why do you have more cases in Meru County? Is it because of the food that we eat? What is the problem? Those are the issues that we want to find out through research. Otherwise, thank you very much. We appreciate the support that we're getting from the national government. We shall continue as a government of Meru County to invest our resources in this sector because we have to lessen this burden. Even as we fight other diseases, non-communicable diseases like blood pressure, diabetes, and the other diseases like COVID and all that, we cannot forget cancer. Cancer is the biggest burden.